Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2011 GMC Terrain SLT. Stock number is 18G731A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have chrome wheels wrapped with Hankook Optimo tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof and a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Dual point exhaust on the back, rear backup sensors and a camera, and this Terrain is all-wheel drive. Taking a look in the hatch, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of a button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise audio and Bluetooth controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Terrain on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.